Hey guys, so today I tried out the Lights Lacquer Give Me the Night collection. I'm gonna quickly insert the footage of me like doing my nails now, then we'll get back and we'll talk to about my thoughts. Okay, so this was like the Lights Lacquer New Year's Eve collection, I'm pretty sure. Let me just have a quick look on the website. Yeah, so this was like the December 2023 collection. Oh, it's actually sold out now. So yeah, this collection came with the 3 polishes, the gems. It also came with like a ring collection thing, but obviously I didn't get that. But yeah, anyway, there was a bundle on the site that was called the Do You Want Me bundle, which came with the 3 polishes and the gems, and I think that's what I got. It is sold out now, but you can still get things like individually. The only thing that is sold out is the gems. Like, you can't get the gems anymore. Anyway, so this is the packaging here. It's absolutely stunning. And let me show you the polishes. So obviously we have 3. So the first one that we have is called After Midnight. And it's like this black polish with like sparkles through it. It's real pretty. It is described as a black polish with rainbow glitter and a crelly finish, which I think that means like cream jelly, I don't know. Anyway, this is the shade here, stunning. I did not actually use this one today. This was the only polish that I didn't use, but it looks real pretty, and I'm very excited to try that out when I eventually get around to it. The next shade that I did try out was the Speak Easy to Me. It says that this is a magnetic polish, which I don't know what that means, but anyway, it says dark metallic bronze polish with a fine golden shimmer and a magnetic finish. I think you can do like stuff where you can like swirl it all around and stuff, but anyway, this polish is so pretty. I just think it's stunning. It is on the one on my nails. Obviously like the more like kind of brownie color. It's real pretty, but this is how it looks in the bottle. It reminds me of like you know, those kind of like silky dresses that like are in this shade. I don't know, I just think this shade is so pretty and I love it. And then the last shade is called Super Freak. This one says a champagne polish with a bronze shift and a hollow finish, and I love this shade. This is probably my favorite shade out of the collection. I mean, I haven't tried the black one yet, but out of the other bronze one. So this one is also on my nails on these 2, and it's just absolutely stunning. Like, I'm just obsessed. And then we also have the gems. So these are the Give Me the Night gems, and we have like a couple of different colors in there. This one just says enhance your at-home mani with our 3D neutral tone gemstones. So yeah, we have kind of like some pinky colors, some bronze colors, some silvers. So yeah, just like, and they're quite like small. I feel like they might be like slightly different in size. I can't tell. Anyway, so I did use them today, and I've just noticed that one has already came off. So anyway, this is the finished nail look that I came up with today. I am not great at doing my nails, duh. But yeah, anyway, I did really like this collection. I thought it was really nice. I do really like Lights Lacquer. I feel like they chip a little bit quickly, but my mum said that's quite normal with nail polish. I've never been into nail polish, so I don't know. I love the gems and stuff like that, but I feel like they don't last as long, obviously, because they're not getting like you're not setting it with the LED light and stuff like that. So like, I get it. Wait, is it LED? No, what is it? UV, the UV light. But yeah, I do really like this collection. I think it's really pretty. I do love these shades. They do feel very like New Year's Eve to me. The only thing that I have that I don't love about Lights Lacquer is I'll order these collections when they come out, and then because they take so long to ship, like the time has passed. It's like I ordered this in the collection with the Valentine's Day collection, and it only arrived this week, and that was like 2 weeks after Valentine's Day. So yeah, anyway, I really like this collection. Let me know down below if you've tried it, what you think. yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!